How to unarchive a story on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right. After you've clicked on the three lines at the top right, here, simply click on Archive. After you click on Archive, you will find all these options. You'll find all your story. Now, to unarchive, simply click on the story you want to unarchive. Click on the three dots at the bottom right. Here, there will be option for save photo or re-add to your story. You can click on any one of them, or you can simply go back, click on the plus icon at the top left, click on story, add the same picture, click on your story, and it will be re-archived. You can only use this process if there is no option for reshare or re-archive option. And this is how to unarchive a story on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.